Are your photos looking too bright or grainy on your Canon camera? Your ISO might be set too high, but you can adjust the auto ISO limit to control it. In this video, I'll show you how to change the ISO auto limit on your Canon camera. Let's set the ISO limit now. First, turn on the camera, then press on the live view button. It looks like a camera icon button and a red dot top of it. Then press on the menu button. Go to the third camera tab. Here you can see the ISO auto option. Press the set button. Now here you'll see the maximum ISO limit. From here you can set your ISO limit to max 400, 800, 1600, 3200 and 6400. I recommend you set max ISO 400 for bright outdoors, max ISO 1600 for indoor with moderate lighting, max ISO 800 for low light with a tripod, lower max ISO to avoid noise. So select one of them and then press the set button to confirm it. And that's how you can adjust the ISO auto limit on your Canon camera. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.